Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if Microsoft Store is blocked error in Windows 11 computer. So Microsoft Store is blocked error occurs when Windows prevents access to the Microsoft Store app, displaying the message Microsoft Store is blocked. Check with your IT or system administrator. So typically happens on organizations managed devices where administrators disable the store through group policies or mobile device management. The error is also observed on the home PCs if the same restrictions are applied either through registry edits or inadvertently through third-party tools. And then I'll show you potential solutions to resolve the error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to modify at local group policy settings. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run. And then pop up this run. So here in box. And then you need to type this command keyword gpedit.msc. So just type this command keyword gpedit.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And then once you open up this local group policy editor, and then we need to navigate to the following locations. So next step, so here at local computer policy, and then you can see this computer configurations, and then you need to select this administrative templates. So select and double click. And the next step, then you need to select or locate this Windows components folder. So same, select and double click. And then here at Windows components, and then you need to find and locate this store. So you need to scroll down and then find this store folder. So once you already find, so all you have to do is to one time click this store folder. And then on right panel, then you can see this store settings. And then you need to select this turn off the store applications. Alright, so all you have to do is to select and double click. And then pop up this turn off the store application settings. So all you have to do is to modify. So you need to select this disabled or not configured. Alright, so either not configured or disabled. So you need to select this one. So if you disable or don't configure the settings, access to the store applications is allowed. Alright, so you need to click apply and then click OK. Alright, so after here at local group policy editor, and the other solutions that we're going to do is to enable Microsoft Store install a service. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open again this run. And then pop up this run. So here in box, and then we need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc, that is one word, and then click OK. And then once you open up this services and services local, and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Microsoft Store install a service. So you need to scroll down and locate this Microsoft Store install service. So all you have to do is to select and then right click and then check if the service is already running or not. So if this service is not running, so all you have to do is to double click and open properties. So since this service is already running, so all you have to do is to click this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And then after that, then we need to double click. And then here at general properties, startup type, then you need to select automatic and then click apply and then click OK. And then after here at services, and we need to close. And then here at the start menu, and then we need to restart this PC to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft Store is block error in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.